Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox something really special, and the moment I saw this in the shop, the moment I got it, I was really itching to unbox this one, and it's literally unboxing this time. And I know how many of you people actually know about this. I even heard about this, but I'm really happy to show you this with just this one. So this is the Hot Wheels garage display case light, and so this one is by I think they are having this tie up with Paladon. So this is the name I am a bit familiar with because I think a year or two back, so I bought one Super Mario Mushroom Light. So I still have that as new. So I'm actually, I didn't even unbox that. I just kept it as it is. It looked really cute, so I kept it. So I'm actually planning to sell that one. Maybe drop it in the comments. So I'll just I'm ready to let it go for a reasonable price. So okay, so let's being said that, and let's talk about this particular one. So I really don't have much space here to show this fully, but let me just okay. So this one I bought from Toys R Us, as you can see here. And again, I bought this in Malaysia, not in India. Okay, at least not in Chennai. We don't even have any Toys R Us anymore. Okay, so as you can see in the back, you can see this detailing here. So how it looks when it is off, and how it looks when it is on, and it does have like double-sided background. Okay, I need to see that how that looks. So it is stackable and it is USB or battery operated. So currently I'm not going to connect via USB. I'm having some batteries. Let's see if that suits. I'm hoping that that is going to be a normal I think AA battery. Let's see. I think it said something here. Yeah, AA battery. Okay. Yeah, here also they mentioned 5 volt batteries. Hoping that the ones which I have is or those are like 1.5 volt batteries. Okay, nothing else on this side. It says garage display case light. Okay, without any further delay, let's unbox this. So it doesn't have any seal or anything. You just honestly, if you are at the shop and if you are able to see this, you can actually open this and see how this one looks. So I did open and see, but I didn't actually go through everything. I just opened and saw whether it had any damage, and then I just took it. Okay. Okay. I don't know. They have some kind of booklet here. Okay. On pulsing off. Okay, it has three modes, I guess. One is normal, like on, and second one is like I think two times if you press the power button, it is going to be pulsing. I mean, like blinking. And third time if you hit it, it is going to be turned off. So okay, let's see what else they mentioned. Okay, fine. I don't think this is nothing is in the back. Let me just keep this aside. Okay, let's unwrap this one now. Honestly, I really wanted to bring something new for our channel, so luckily I was able to get this one. Okay, so here is a bottom part. You can see there is a screw here where you can put the batteries in, and so here is the front view of it. This is how it looks in the front side. So there are lights here actually, and I think you can remove this. Yeah, you can remove this, and it looks like just a cardboard, but I'm not sure. But compared to this one looks really nice. Let's put it in this way for now. Okay, that looks more nice, more beautiful compared to the one which we already had. Okay, so in the top it says Hot Wheels. Okay, these are plastic. This is also plastic. And let me just turn this. Just want to see. Okay, I'm really happy now because it has USB-C adapter instead of that old USB 2. I'm really relieved about that. Okay, I remember seeing this detail somewhere else, but I'm happy that I was able to see see it again. Okay, what are the things it is mentioned here? Hot Wheels. They have a lot of different logos here. See, I can't able to put light here because light is on top of my head, so can't able to put more light here. Okay, let me just unscrew this and put batteries in and turn it on. So I'm just going to do it off camera. So I'm just going to pause the video now. So okay, guys, I didn't have the patience to unscrew that that lid. So I just went with the charger here. So I just connected my USB charger here, phone charger here. So let's see. Let's turn on and see how this one looks. Okay. Okay, it didn't turn on. Maybe. Not sure why it is not working. Okay, let me just be back in a second. So guys, I just went with unscrewing the bottom and I just added put some battery in. I'm not sure why the USB-C is not working. Maybe the power input is so much, I guess. I really need to check with some other basic charger instead of using the 45 watts charger. Okay, so I just put the battery here and it's normal AA battery and the on switch is on the back side and it does work. So let's put some really nice car in and see how this one looks. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, I know it is not like overhead light. The lights are actually from the corners here, as you can see. So only these two pillars where the light is getting emitted. So let me try one more thing. I'm not sure. The pamphlet said you can able to pulse the light. I'm not sure if it is like during for error warning or something, but yeah. So overall this looks really nice. Let me just put this aside for a minute. So overall this diorama looks really nice and this costed me around, I don't know, maybe 2200 rupees in Indian money. And I'm really happy that it is not like made of this cheap that 3D printed boards and all. This is fully proper plastic. And the only thing I'm really feeling a little bit, maybe they could have went with some kind of hard plastic or something, is this part here. So I'm still not sure. Yeah, this is normal cardboard, you can see here. So I think we can just print something for this particular size and we can just slide it in and that is going to look really cool compared to just putting as Hot Wheels here. Maybe in future I'll just ask someone, I'll just ask some shops or someone to just do some customization for me for this particular size, and let's see how that goes. Okay, let me just slide it back in. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.